Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. Today we are going to discuss about 2014 Set A IEO question paper for class 3 students. I have already uploaded some other IEO, NSO and IMO question papers for class 3 students. You please go to the playlist in Students Reference channel and click Olympiad class 3 to get these question papers. And today's first topic is word and structure knowledge. Choose the correct words to fill the blanks in pair of sentences. Example, I want to dash in a boat. You can get great discounts at our annual dash. The answer is sail, sail. I want to sail in a boat. You can get great discounts at our annual sale. 1. Do you want a dash phone? Do you want to dash your phone? You read the options carefully. The answer is B. Do you want a cell phone? Do you want to sell your phone? For questions 2 and 3, choose the word that best completes the relationship. Example, apple is to fruit as carrot is to vegetable. 2. Worker is to factory as car mechanic is to dash. Machine, tool, garage. The answer is C, garage. 3. Blood is to humans as sap is to dash. Trees, animals, birds. The answer is A, trees. Sap means fluids transported in trees. Complete the sentence with the correct word. Example, a moving staircase is a or an escalator. 4. In America, a sidewalk is actually a dash, pavement, embankment, catchment. The answer is A, pavement. For questions 5 and 6, choose the odd word out. Example, shoes, gloves, slippers. The answer is gloves. 5. Helicopter, aeroplane, rocket. The odd one out is C, rocket. 6. Spectacles, newspaper, books. The answer is A, spectacles. For questions 7 to 13, choose the correct option to complete each sentence. Example, I have been living in this house dash 2000 since 2000. I have been living in this house since 2000. 7. Did Dolly dash about her performance in the test? Mrs. Hopkins asked the teacher. Told, tells, tell. The answer is C, tell. Did Dolly tell about her performance in the test? Mrs. Hopkins asked the teacher. 8. The clever dog jumped dash the garden wall and escaped. On, at, over. The answer is C, over. The clever dog jumped over the garden wall and escaped. 9. Butterflies look more beautiful dash they spread their wings. When, where, how. The answer is A, when. Butterflies look more beautiful when they spread their wings. 10. Can you show me dash good pens please? Any, some, few. The answer is B, some. Can you show me some good pens please? 11. Nick, are you coming to school tomorrow? No, I dash. Would not, am not, do not. The answer is B, am not. No, I am not. 12. Dash is an endangered species. The tiger, tiger, a tiger. The answer is the tiger. The tiger is an endangered species. 13. Wait, I am dash to finish. Nearly, almost, about. The answer is C, about. Wait, I am about to finish. Choose the linking word that best completes the sentence. Example, take an umbrella in case it rains. 14. You can play with my toys for as you like. As soon as far as long as. The answer is C, as long as. You can play with my toys for as long as you like. Reading for questions 15 to 21. Read the passage and answer the questions that follow. The white Bengal tiger. I am sure you have seen hundreds of orange Bengal tigers, but did you know that there are white Bengal tigers too? They are unique for their white color fur, which is not a result of any disease. It is actually because of the absence of a pigment or a color giving agent which is found in orange colored Bengal tigers. If you compare the white Bengal tiger to an orange Bengal tiger, you will notice them former are somewhat bigger. Even as cubs, they are bigger than the orange Bengal tiger cubs and tend to grow faster and heavier. The white Bengal tiger's stripes are like our fingerprints. Also, the stripes of the tiger are a coloration of the skin. Did you know that several hundred white Bengal tigers are currently in captivity worldwide, with about 100 being found in India alone? That's sad, isn't it? I hate the very idea of keeping any animal in captivity, let alone tigers. Another thing I don't like is showcasing these majestic creatures in entertainment business. It is not fair to force animals to work in circuses, is it? Nandankanan Zoological Park in Odisha is the host zoo for white tigers. In 1980, the first litter of white tigers were born to Deepak and Ganga, both normal tawny tigers. Subsequent litters of white tigers have been distributed to zoos both at home and abroad. Here, litter means baby tiger. At present, the park is home to over 34 white tigers. The good thing is that the population of the white Bengal tiger is on the increase. Yippee! Their unique fur has made white tigers popular in entertainment, showcasing exotic animals and at zoos. I am not very sure if that is something good for the tigers. What do you think? 15. Some tigers may appear to be white because they dash or different from the orange ones, suffer from a rare skin disease, lack a special coloring agent in their skins. The answer is C, lack a special coloring agent in their skins. The answer is given here because of the absence of a pigment or a color giving agent which is found in orange colored Bengal tigers. 16. Which of the following statement is true in the context of paragraph 2? An orange tiger is usually bigger and heavier than a white one. A white tiger is usually bigger and heavier than an orange one. An orange tiger cub is usually bigger and heavier than the white one. The answer is B. The answer is given here. If you compare the white Bengal tiger to an orange Bengal tiger, you will notice the former are somewhat bigger. 17. An individual white tiger can be identified from its dash, fingerprints, fur, stripes. The answer is C, stripes. The answer is given here. The white Bengal tiger stripes are like our fingerprints. No two tigers have the same. 18. According to paragraph 5, Deepak and Ganga were dash. First known white tiger cubs born in captivity. Parents of the first litter of white tiger's cubs. A tiger couple that worked in a circus. The answer is B. The answer is given here. In 1980, the first litter of white tigers were born to Deepak and Ganga. 19. According to the passage, the current population of tigers in the Nandankanan is dash. Several hundred, 100, over 34. The answer is C, over 34. The answer is given here. At present, the park is home to over 34 white tigers. 20. Which of the following views does the author hold? Animals should be allowed to live freely in their natural habitats. The white tiger population is slowly decreasing. Some animals have to be kept in cages for entertainment purposes. The answer is A. 21. White tigers are popular in the entertainment business, showcasing animals because of dash, their size and weight, their unique stripes, the color of their fur. The answer is C, the color of their fur. Spoken and written expression. For questions 22 to 25, choose the best response to complete each conversation. Example, let's go out to play. Shall we? 22. If someone thanks you for something you did for them, what would you say in response? Okay, okay. No mention, please. You are welcome. The answer is C. You are welcome. 23. Dash is this pen for? Please. How much? What price? What's the cost? The answer is A. How much is this pen for? Please. 24. Mom, can I dash another chocolate please? Sorry, there isn't any left in the refrigerator. Buy, have, give. The answer is B. Have. Mom, can I have another chocolate please? 25. If someone makes a mistake, which of the following words is he or she most likely to use? Wow, yuck, oops. The answer is C. Oops. For questions 26 to 30, choose the best option to complete each blank. The Leaning Tower of Pisa. Italy's Leaning Tower of Pisa is dash freestanding bell tower of the Cathedral of Pisa. 26. A and the. The answer is C. The. Italy's Leaning Tower of Pisa is the freestanding bell tower of the Cathedral of Pisa. It is dash worldwide for its tilt to one side. 27. A well known, B little known, C unknown. The answer is A well known. It is well known worldwide for its tilt to one side. It is situated behind the cathedral and is the third dash structure in Pisa's cathedral square. 28. Old, older, oldest. The answer is C. Oldest. It is situated behind the cathedral and it is the third oldest structure in Pisa's cathedral square. The tower's tilt began dash construction. 29. In, during, while. The answer is B. During. The tower's tilt began during construction. It was caused by an inadequate foundation on ground which was too soft on one side to properly support that structure's weight. The tilt dash long before the structure was completed and gradually increased until the structure was stabilized. 30. Started, has started, was started. The answer is A. Started. The tilt started long before the structure was completed and gradually increased until the structure was stabilized. It was partially corrected by efforts in the late 20th and early 21st centuries. Achiever section. For questions 31 to 33, choose the correct option to complete the sentence. 31. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a dash of water. Look how dash and weak you are. Don't you eat anything? You read the options carefully. The answer is C. Pale, pale. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Look how pale and weak you are. Don't you eat anything? 32. Where do you get all these fantastic ideas from? I find them totally dash. They make no sense at all, yelled Mrs. Woodhouse. Serious, stupid, boring. The answer is B. Stupid. I find them totally stupid. 33. The boys had a hard time finding Da's classroom. They are there. The answer is B. There. The boys had a hard time finding their classroom. 34. Choose the linking word that best completes the sentence. Dash, he is rich, he is miserly. Whereas, because, although. The answer is C. Although. Although he is rich, he is miserly. 35. Choose the best response in the following situation. Situation, you have to politely ask for some drinking water. Can I have a glass of water, please? Give me a glass of water, will you? I want a glass of water, do you hear? The answer is A. Can I have a glass of water, please? So, my dear students, today we have completed 2014 Set A IUO question paper for class 3 students. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.